Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart guys, and if your radio doesn't work or you're trying to find the fuse for the radio, stay with us guys and we'll explain where it's located guys. We'll demonstrate on this 2015 Dodge Dart, but I think it will work for the whole generation from year 2013 to year 2016 now. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Dodge Dart, how to repair things. We'll be taking the engine completely apart, and we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money on car parts, tools or fuses, anything like that guys, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we order all the supplies for the shop, and they come pretty quick guys, pretty fast shipping. So now, as you know guys, we have 3 fuse boxes for your Dodge Dart. One is under the hood, that's the one that's super simple to access. The second and the third fuse box, there guys, actually inside, okay, inside the car right here. So it doesn't matter guys if you have this radio, okay, this radio system right here, or you have something, okay, like that one with the touch screen guys, it doesn't matter, the procedure will be the same for the fuse. Now some cars have the fuse guys actually behind the radio, but we took it apart and there is nothing there. This is from another Dodge that we're working on, and there is absolutely nothing there. So we'll show you guys, okay, where it's located now. We have guys, as I said, 2 interior fuse boxes, and for the radio guys we need to, okay, get from, okay, you can see, let me explain quick. That cover is removed here, you don't have to remove it. This is because by removing the cover you can access the BCM fuse box, but in our case the fuse is not there. The fuse is guys, okay, all the way underneath. Okay, let me show you now quick. Okay, right there. This is the, okay, next to the brake pedal guys. Right here, this is guys the fuse box we're talking about. Okay, this thing right there, that's where, okay, the fuse is located. I just pushed it up, okay, it comes out of the slots and I got it loose. We removed the cover, okay, so I can show you with a great detail where that fuse is located, because otherwise guys it's not possible for me. So now looking at the steering wheel, okay, right here, if we hold the camera like that, I should be able to get to the fuse now. Okay, let me pull the fuse box out and show you which one it is guys. Okay, it's still a little bit dark. Let's go down a little bit with the camera. Okay, perfect, just like that. So now guys, the fuse that we're looking at now, okay, no, it's still dark. So let me see. Okay, like that, like this one, so you can see a little bit better. Okay, what I'm talking about. The fuse that I'm talking about now guys, it's the third fuse, okay, from left to right, 1, 2, 3, and it's the first fuse on top, this 15 amp fuse guys. This is the fuse that we need to remove. So I'll grab a fuse puller now, grab it, and we pull the fuse out guys. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses or anything like that, okay, check it out. We'll have guys the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get ours from. So I'll go ahead, get a new fuse now, and we're going to push the new fuse back in place. Okay, perfect. 30, okay, this is a 15 amp, so 30 amp fuse. Okay, this is right there, 30 amp fuse guys. So let me, okay, those two got stuck, and I'll just go ahead and push it in now. Okay, perfect, just like that. I'll try to pull the fuse box out a little bit. Just push it in. So this is practically guys the whole procedure. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to replace the radio fuse. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.